right, guys, let's talk about time. Now remember, the minute hand is always the long hand, and the hour hand is always the short hand. When the minute hand is on the 12, it always means o'clock. When the minute hand is on 3, it means 15. When the minute hand is on the 6, it means 30. And some people do say half past because it's halfway around the clock. Then if the minute hand is on the 9, that is 45. So let's do some time. So we have the hour hand on the 8 and the minute hand is on the 12. So that means it is 8 o'clock. And then if we tick around to the 3, it would be 8:15. And then as it moves on around, as the minute hand moves on around to the 6, do you see that the hour hand is also moving? The hour hand moves along during the hour like the minute hand, but just not as quickly. So now it would be 8:30, or as some people say, 8:30. So let's move on around to the 9, which it would be 8:45. And you can see that the minute hand, that the hour hand is almost underneath that minute hand. It's moving along, just not as quickly. And then we're going to move up to the 12 again, and then that would give us 9 o'clock. All right, let's look at some money. This one is the quarter, and it is worth 25 cents. This is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. And if you were going to count dimes, you could count those by tens. This is the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. And if you were going to count nickels, you could count those by fives. Now we get the nickel and the quarter confused sometimes, but what I always like to show y'all is that the nickel is not quite as big as the quarter. It fits kind of right inside there. So that helps you realize that, oh, that's a nickel, not a quarter, because it's not as big. And this is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. And if we were going to count pennies, we would count those by ones.